TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's Friday. It's 9 a.m. Let's check in on the markets as it looks like a higher open on a big jobs number on Friday. So far, Dow futures up 165 points, trading 25,086. S&P futures up 15 points, trading 2759. And NASDAQ futures up 46 points, trading 7,046. Start things off with the VIX. On that news, market spikes higher. Dow jumps as much as 200. We see the VIX spike down to 1331. Been a long time since we've seen the VIX in the 13s, but we're back up to 1582 just like that. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform. Check in on some of the futures markets. So before we do, here is the number, 8:30 Eastern Time. Non-farm payrolls coming in at 313,000 in February. The estimate was around 200,000. Quite a beat. Now, the counter to that is wage growth was muted. Seems to be the common story when we get non-farm payrolls. We had average hourly earnings up 2.6% on an annualized basis. 0.2 percentage points below expectations, but market shaking that off for sure. Let's jump into the charts. Started off with the S&P 500. There is your jobs number. We jumped from 2735. We're now a solid 20 points higher on the S&P from that number. NASDAQ 100. We're trading at, where are we before that number? 6965. From there, we are up a solid 55 points, 7,022 in the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30. Check it out. We come into that number, 24,849. We're up over 200 points from that number now, 25,063 in the Dow futures. Crude oil currently trading $60.73 in crude. Gold getting some volatility on that number as well, not as much as you might expect considering the market move. Gold holding up well, 1317 currently in gold. And the other story out there this week is Bitcoin. 8,941, under 9,000. Not long ago, just back to Wednesday, we were up at 10,600. You're down $1,600. And then if you jump over the headline, I mean, you're looking at 24% decline for the week. There's been some news out there with the SEC saying exchanges will have to register, so forth. And then, of course, the other fundamental news breaking last night that President Trump agrees to meet with North Korea's Kim Jong-un for nuclear talks potentially in May. We'll see how that plays out in the next coming months. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. Full day of programming at TFNN. Have a great day, everybody.